Good day everyone, GarageKing here. Common problem with the Vanagons is a lot of times your headlights stop working. In this video, very quick 2.5 minute video, I'm going to go through and show you a quick way to check what could be the problem with your front headlights on your Vanagon not working. So let's get to it.
It's either the regular switch or it's the ignition switch. Now, an easy way to check is the plug that comes out of the ignition switch. Okay, it's like a black kind of hexagon's kind of stop sign looking thing, 6 sides actually instead of 8. Anyway, it unplugs right from the back of the switch there, and what you can do is you can jump the middle wire, which is this big pink wire, and you jump it to the black one with the yellow. So you see I've jumped the 2, okay, because normally when the switch burns out, what happens is the switch doesn't supply, or the ignition switch doesn't supply any power to the light switch, okay? So by jumping these 2, this one always has a constant power. I have this little tool here, it's a fused tool, so it's got a little 10 amp fuse on it. And then if you look right here, don't mind my leg or my shoes, but it'll tell me what I'm drawing at the time. So right now we can see 0.2 amps. So if I hit the headlight switch like this, now we can see 7 amps. Turn it off, 2, turn it on, 7. So we know that this headlight switch is working. It's drawing current, and if we looked outside, we'd see the headlight switch was coming on. So that's an easy check. So then you know your headlight switch is on. Now if you click this switch and this doesn't change,
then you know it is your headlight switch.
Now, if you don't have one of these tools to check draw, all you have to have is someone on the outside of the vehicle just looking and seeing if the headlights are turning on and off when you jump these 2 leads. Once you jump these 2, the headlights should turn on and off. And if they don't, then there's your problem. So once the headlights turn on and off, when these are jumped, then you know it's the ignition switch. If the headlights don't turn on and off when these are jumped, then it's probably your headlight switch.